I'm going to show you how to set mobile data usage limit on your OnePlus 15. So if you go into settings and then go to mobile network and then scroll down to data usage, you can actually set the mobile data usage limit. Now it's going to go automatically to your default SIM card for mobile data, but of course you can set data usage limit for either SIM card if you have a dual SIM setup. So on the default SIM card for mobile data, all I need to do is come here to data usage limit, tap on it, and then first thing you want to do is enable data usage limit. Now once you enable, it's gonna give you the opportunity to set a limit. So let's say I want to set it to 10 gigs. So I'm gonna put in 10 and then change the MB to GB and then choose what happens when the data limit is reached. Do I want to get an alert, or do I want my phone to send an alert and turn off mobile data? So I'm going to choose that and then tap on done. So I've currently set a mobile data usage limit for my default mobile data SIM card. Now you can also go to the other SIM card and do the same if you want to, or you can even set a different limit for the other SIM card. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.